parts, bring to the other bro's house. Oh yeah, he bought a truck. So you might see that in the vlogs a little bit more. Alright, so we're picking up some, what is it?
03 Dodge Ram.
No, the parts, bro.
Oh. Yo, it's brake pads and brake shoes.
It's got some new brakes for the Civic that you'll be checking out in a second. So this is the new truck. What do you guys think? Dodge Ram 1500? What is this?
What is it? Dodge Ram 1500.
Okay.
Yeah, man. 03. Oh, yo, normal.
The little dog. But yeah, so he also has a 300ZX that you guys will be seeing later on in the channel.
In the summer.
We'll be checking that out. Probably give you a little preview of it in the garage in a few weeks. But yeah, so we're en route in this Civic to go to the other Civic to drop off some parts. Alright guys, so it's a new day. Got some parts.
Oh shit, wrong seat.
Oh, it's on the other side. So this is the homie's other Civic over here. Just brought him some brake pads, rotors, some gifts. So yeah, so this is our other Infiniti G37. And yeah, so we'll be seeing more of these in the vlogs later on, and you'll be seeing his WRX probably later on in the spring once the motor's rebuilt. Everything stays in the family, that's how we do it.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is vlog number 2. Unfortunately, Saran can't be here today. As you saw in the last clip, he was in Cornwall, his hometown. So he won't be able to help me out today. We're doing the front grille on my Lancer. We're gonna black it out today like we did on the X Trail. Shouldn't be too hard, but unfortunately Saran's not gonna be here today, so... Yo, bro, what the Yo, how'd you do that?
I don't know, man. The Civic got pretty fast over the last little bit.
SI life, huh?
You know?
Trying to go work on the car?
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
This actually looks kind of like, I'm surprised we did this with garbage bags and some tape.
Right? It's a big garbage bag, I'm not gonna lie.
Like 2 garbage bags filled up this whole bumper.
on your little backup camera.
It works, but so I figured out the way to turn it off when the car is off. Once the car is off, I gotta turn it into accessory mode and then turn it off.
So does it just stay on if you just turn it off?
Bro, like so if the camera's on and I just turn the car off,
it just stays on?
yes, that's the only way to turn it off.
What the hell?
I don't know.
What kind of jank ass shit is this?
But then
bro?
when I turn accessory mode, it turns off. And then it turns on when I turn the car back on.
Yo, what the hell? What is this? We just came back from Walmart, grabbed a clear coat. We are currently adding one more layer of all the black paint because we already put like 3. But we decided, why not? We got some extra time. Might as well just put one more layer. Wouldn't hurt. So yeah, give you guys an update later. Guys, check out the new front grille, all blacked out. Don't get too close though, cause like, you know, some imperfections. But yo, when your front grille low-key looks better than the rest of your paint.
You know?
That's so jokes, but damn, it looks so sick though. Damn, dude, for a random like.
Bootleg in the garage.
Garage DIY paint. It's actually not that bad. Alright, let's go show them what this looks like on the actual car. 3, 2, 1. Guys, so bumper's back on. Grill actually looks really nice. What do you think?
I like it. It's not too bad. $20?
Right? Some black paint, clear coat. You're set. Doesn't look bad. But yeah, if you guys like the little mod, comment down below. Hit that like button, you know. Well,
Oh wait,
note to self, guys, don't use these weird like foam double-sided sticky things on.
no, they're trash. At least it comes off.
Like, if you're gonna stick stuff, 3M double-sided tape for the win, always.
If you guys ever wondered how to install these, it's just a wire that connects all the way through here, behind the center console, plugs up into here, and then runs down the middle into the back.
If you guys don't want to see what the back looks like, the back looks like same setup. He just has it in the back seats instead, and then up here there's one on the driver's side as well too.
And we're chilling.
That's about it.
I see a day to see a job is what it made to me. Shit be fucking bravery. See it's mine to slavery. 9 to 5, grind and strive. Fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress doing this.
Yo, peep this jank. What the hell? Yo, how does a pressure washer just knock off your license plate like that, bruh? You're straight up crooked.
And that and turn around and scope you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick. That's what I be really thinking. Yes, sir. No, sir. That's what I be really speaking.